We have set up our van for weekend camping excursions. This van can get a little stuffy in the summertime. Now we're using this Ogery F11 fan. This thing has been fantastic. You can change the fan speeds from 25% to 100%. You can have it rotate from 30 to 120 degrees. You can tilt it up and down. It has a light on it, so you can add light at night if you need it in the van while you're camping. You have a huge battery on it that lasts a really long time. In fact, it's so big, it also has plugs so that you could recharge a cell phone off of it if you needed to. This thing has been doing great. We really like the way the battery lasts. We really like the features it has to put air where we need it, when we need it, and it is definitely coming with us on every camping trip.